Hi everyone, welcome to Sky Residence Construction Update. Well, the great news is we've topped out on stage 2, which means that we are now constructionally complete for all of Sky Residences. Let's go and have a look at what the lower floors look like in the construction stage. So now I'm on level 2 where the kitchens are being installed. The stone bench tops will arrive next week for installation. The flooring is down and the bathrooms are nearly complete. Levels 4 and 6, the balcony and bathroom are being waterproofed. Tiling begins shortly and the preparation for kitchen installs are underway. And what's really exciting is our communal areas, the pool, the gym and the Sky Lounge are all complete and ready for their residences.